In this video, I'll show you how to change the size of a video in Adobe Premiere Pro so it fits the frame properly. First, go to the top menu bar and click on Sequence. From there, select Sequence Settings. In this window, you will see an option for frame size. Set this to match the resolution of your video. For example, if your clip is 1920 by 1080, type that in and click OK. Now, as you can see, the black bars have disappeared and the clip fully fits the frame. However, if you move to another clip and see that it still has black bars, this means the resolution of that clip is different. To fix this, right-click on the clip in the timeline and select Set to Frame Size. This will automatically adjust the clip to fit the frame, removing the black bars. If you want more control over the size, select the clip in the timeline and go to the Effect Controls panel. Under Motion, you will find the Scale option. Use this to manually adjust the size of the video to your liking. And that's how you can resize a video in Adobe Premiere Pro.